Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about integrated ERP software for HR payroll. In this video you will see it's working both in mobile and desktop application. Benefits of HR manpower and payroll services. Time savings. Cost reduction. Improved accuracy. Enhanced compliance. Advanced technology and analytics. Employee satisfaction. Simplified audits. Scalability and flexibility. This is the dashboard page of an app. Below the app, click Profile menu. Profile info of the individuals will come, where you have to fill details of name, father name, email, phone, address, department, designation. If anyone wants to resign from job, click Apply for resignation. Select My Employees. Name of the employee appears. Select the employee. Details of the employee will appears. Its designation, company target, dealer target. In ongoing tour through map, it will shows. GPS tools ensure employees are marking attendance from a designated location or within a specific work area. Below it 5 options appears. Tour plans, approved tour, pending tour, tour reports, pending leave. In home screen, select all tour plans. Tour plans page will open. Below it plus sign is there. Click it. Add tour page will open. Under it add new tour plan appears. Fill the details. Select tour start and end date. Select options of transport mode. Select options of vehicle. Write the purpose of the tour. Tour details. Put amount in estimated cost. Click submit button. After clicking submit button, tour plans page will open. If you click submit button while filling the details green colored, completed button will show. From here you can overview it here. Dates, purpose, to details, mode of transport, estimated cost, or else if you want to edit something blue colored processing button will show. Click view to edit. Under to details, give details of the purpose of the visit, write to details, transport mode, put date on start and end tour, estimate cost for the tour, click start button to start the tour. In case if you want to edit something, click edit button. In above image tracking map, employer track employees through this. In a particular day how much work has he/she reported or visited to their clients, click add report option. After selecting add report button, add report page opens, write seller type, put date, write seller name, contact person, contact number of the seller, order value in amount, put date on next follow-up date, then write product name, number of orders, click add option to view total products and total quantity in units, then put collection amount. In visit report give details of summary of order that you made. In store live photo, click pic from mobile of the store you have visited. This report will help the employees to send employer about the client information efficiently. Then click submit button, then click complete button. Tour completed successfully will show. Record has been saved. Click to report option. To report page will open. Above it map tracking is there. Click expenses option to add expenses. Click report options. Put amount in order value. Put amount in collection value. Write visit report, total product and total quantity. Click save. Under to reports page, it will save as follow up. Click view to edit any changes if required. During field visit, one may incur expenses. Click add expense. Choose car or bike option. Put amount. In bill photo, click upload images. Click add option. Other expenses you can mention here. Click preview expenses. In expenses preview page, mode of transportation shows its amount. Click pick also for proof. Similarly, food, its amount, its pick for proof. Below it total amount of expenses will show. Click final submit button. Final submit button will alert will appear any changes to be made. Click no or else click yes for final submit. Under add expenses page, it will saved as completed. Click view to make changes if any required. Click apply leave. Below it click plus button. After clicking, leave apply page will open. Put from and to date. Total leave days requested by employees to be filled there. Select leave type. Provide reason for it. Enter emergency mobile number. enter emergency email ID, click Submit button. Under Leave Apply page it will save. Once the employer granted leave it will get approved. Select New Attendance, slide to Clock In page will open, location accuracy will come, click Turn On, then swipe to slide to Clock In. When you log out then you select Slide to Clock Out. Attendance for a day will successfully saved in this. To check the attendance report for a particular date, simply select Attendance Report, date on which attendance is made, entry time that is clock in, exit time that is clock out, mentioned here. In Add Employees page, Employee Profile, fill the employee basic details like employee ID, status, first name, middle name, last name, nickname, date of birth, gender, application number, company name, marshal status, father's name, mother's name, date of joining, branch name, mobile number, emergency number, experience, duty number, etc. Then click Submit button. In Add Employees section, Bank KYC details, select Pay Mode, bank name, account number, account holder name, IFSC code, reference number, PAN number, Aadhaar number, name as per Aadhaar, select Aadhaar state, etc. Select Submit button to save it. In List Employees, write employee ID, first name, last name, Aadhaar number, mobile, date from and to, then click Search button. Below it Employee's ID, name, mobile, joining date, date of birth, address, status will appear. In Approve Leave Employee List, serial number, apply date, employee name, leave type, from and to date, approve by, approve date, employer generally approve leave for their employees. In List Employees Target Early, put employee ID or name of employee, click Search button, below it serial number, session, entry date, employee ID, employee name, quarterly basis target are given in a year. In Add Employee Target, targets are computed here in quarterly basis for every employee, select session, put entry date, write employee name, put values in quarters, then click Submit button, data are saved here. In List Employees Achievement Yearly, put employee ID, click Search button. Each employee's how much targets he has performed will show in a quarterly basis. In Resignations List, employee applied for resignations list are viewed here. Select date from and to, select status, click Search button. Below it ID, name, mobile number, joining date, resign date, notice period, end date, reason, status are showed here. In Employee Attendance, attendance of every employee's lists are showed here. Employee ID, employee name, check-in location, check-in date and time, check-out location, check-out date and time, action. In Attendance Report, select employee, log date from and to, click Search button. Here list of employees' attendance lists will show containing ID, employee name, mobile number, log date, in time, in location, out time, out location, working hour, data will show here. In List Tours, employees gone for official tour, lists are shown here. Select from and to date, click Search button. Below it ID, entry date, employee name, reason, transport mode, area, estimate cost, working status, approve status, action, data are displayed here. In Tour Plan, details tour plan ID, employee name, plan data, reason, transport mode, tour planning details, approve status, approve by, approve date and time. In Tour Plan Action, update status, select options, then click Submit button. In Tour Expenses, list of expenses incurred by an employee list are shown here. In Tour Reports, serial number, TR ID, TP ID, report date, next follow-up date, employee name, seller type, seller name, contact person, contact number, order value, visit details, collection amount, product name, product quantity, seller's location, start read kilometer, datas are shown here. In Tour Plan History, details of tour are mentioned in serial number wise and purpose of tour. In Tour Employee List, putting data on tour plan ID and tour plan reason. Lists of data of employees lists will show here, containing tour plan ID, employee ID and employee name. In user tracking view, employee name is mentioned along with date on left side, and on right side map is there to track employee to visit from source to destination point. Just by clicking play button, the map will show the desired results of the tracking point of a concerned employee. This is the dashboard page of an app. Employees use to click login button to capture the start time of its workday. In above image map is there to access its location to track via GPS. Employees use to click log out button to capture the end time of its workday. In above image map is there to access its location to track via GPS. In location history, select date. Map location helps to track current location to last location of an employee through tracking activity via GPS. By clicking play button, the map tracker enabled to track the location of the work activities. In my tasks timeline section, at what time checkout happened, date and time is mentioned. Similarly, during check-in happened, date and time is also mentioned. Below it, select date to check particular check-in and check-out of the concerned employee work activities. In attendance, in date column, days are mentioned. In clock-in column, check-in time is mentioned. In clock-out column, check-out time are mentioned. Similarly, in status column, present and absent will display. In leave page, total available leaves are mentioned. In a year are given, casual leave, earned leave and leave without pay. Below it, click plus button. Apply leave page will open. Select from and to date. Choose total leave days you want to take. Choose leave type. Select half or full day. If you want to give any suggestions in reason box, you can mention. After that, click submit button. It will save it. After saving it, from and to date, leave type, total days, reason are mentioned here. Employer will take decision whether particular employee leave should be approved or not. This is the dashboard page of the software. Under accessories, select issue date, select branch, select payment mode, select item name, price, quantity, total amount, click submit button. Under salary structure, put value in basic, grade pay, dearness allowance, HRA, special allowance, mobile, gratuity, total earning, TDS amount, EPF amount, professional tax amount, internet amount, electricity amount, medical amount, net amount, click submit button. Under documents, click browse to select file for Aadhaar card, PAN card, 10th certificate, 10th mark sheet, plus 2 certificate, plus 2 mark sheet, graduation mark sheet, certificate, etc. In mark attendance, select year, select month, select unit site number, select designation. After selecting designation, below it download attendance format button will come. Click attendance format button, select attendance report file, then click open. Put employee code, employee name, days payable, overtime, total duty, extra hours, fooding, uniform, penalty, allowance, lists will show. In issue accessories, put employee code, employee name, issue date, issued by, select branch, select payment mode, select item name, price, average quantity, quantity, subtotal, total amount, status, click submit button, lists of datas of employees serial number, issue date, employee code, employee name, added by, total amount, status, action, datas will display here. In attendance report, choose log date from and to, select employee, click search button, below it, ID, employee name, mobile, log date, in time, in location, out time, out location, working time, map view, datas will display. In attendance sheet, select year, select month, click search button, below it in list of row, employee name, days in a month, total present, total absent, total leave, lists will display here. In attendance report month-wise, select year, select month, click search button, below it serial number, ID, name, designation, month year, total attendance, total working hour, lists will display here. In pending leave list, all employees who have applied for leave, yet to be approved, their list containing ID, employee, leave type, applied from and to, number of leave, created on, session, status, datas will be generated here. In salary release, choose year, month, put unit code, click submit button. In release salary list, select month, salary release for the month of details will show. In row-wise employee details, salary, leaves, advances, final salary taken. In column-wise, of employee details, name of the employee along with its ID code, designation, Aadhaar number, email, phone number, bank name, bank IFSC, bank account number. In salary column, basic, grade pay, dearness allowance, HRA, special allowance, mobile, gratuity, overtime, extra hour, bonus, leave wages, NH wages, total salary. In leaves column, total leave, not paid leaves. In final salary taken column, pay installment, allowance, EPF, ESIC, food, uniform, PT, other deduction, penalty, total deduction, salary details of datas will show here. Select single voucher, select payment mode, select bank, put check number, bank name, bank branch, select verified by, select prepared by, click proceed to payment. Employees can view their details of the salary by clicking release salary list, and in release salary added successfully means employee bank account's salary is being credited. In payment vouchers, payment has to be made to the employees. Select purpose, select expenses type, select created by, select payment mode, payment date from and to, select employee, provide voucher number, click search button, below it ID, action, voucher number, date, approved date, amount, payment mode, purpose, expenses type, unit lists are displayed here. Here is the lists of voucher details. In salary slip, select year, choose month, write unit code, unit name, click download. Salary slip of a particular employee will display here. In task management, employer gives task to employees, enter title, in description box, write the given task assigned to employee, select assignee, due date, priority, status, click submit button. In list task, select assignee, select priority, select status, assignee date, select completion status, click search button. Below it lists of title, assignee, priority, status, assigned date, due date, completion status, action will show. In daily task reports, select employees, select branch, date. From and to, click search button. Below it serial number, name and details of lists are shown. This is the dashboard page of an app. Click New Attendance, select Slide into check-in or entry time, click Attendance Report, under Attendance, Date, Clock in, Clock out, Status, More, click View, details will show, like status, day status, current status, level authority. Employee incur expenses to meet their clients, select New Expenses, select expenses type like accommodation, food, material purchase, transportation, auto, bus, car, train. After selecting, Add Expenses page will open, put expenses date, select location, write project name, expenses amount, expenses notes. In Add Attachment, click photo of the expenses slip for verification, then click Submit button. Expenses are saved. The details will appear like this. Click Salary slip. Salary slip for the month will appear. Click View Pay slip to see the details. Click Ledger. Under Salary option, salary amount and month of salary issue are mentioned. Under Expenses option, date, expenses, expenses amount, status, detail, lists are shown here. This is the dashboard page of the software. In Employee Attendance, select Session, choose Date, click Mark Attendance. In Attendance List, choose Date from and to, click Search button. Below it Date, Total, Present, Absent, days of attendance of employees will show in a month. In attendance approval list, employee applied for leaves and employer has to approve it on basis of valid reason. Select date from and to, click search button, below it employee ID, employee name, check-in location, check-in date and time, check-out date and time, action. In loan approval list, generally employee took loan from employer, basis on this employer need to overview it before approval, below it loan date, employee ID, employee name, loan reason, loan amount, loan status, action, list will appear. In pending loan amount list, employee loan amount has been due, outstanding, that is to be paid to the employer, loan amount has crossed due date, below it their lists will show. In expenses requests, generally employee went for official tour and in the process incur expenses and employer need to review it before approval, click select type, food, transportation, accommodation, material purchase, click search button, below it list of ID, date, EXP number, EXP type, EXP subtype, amount, note, project, added on, file, action, will display here. Still thinking? Empowering HR manpower and payroll through technology. Get a full 1-month trial of our software services. Providing services through online and offline across all cities in India. Affordable pricing plans of our software. Secure and reliable platform. User-friendly interface. Customizable to your needs. Contact 9437368484 www.kkeweb.com. Thank you.